toast on Amanda's homemade bread.
Did you toast it or is it just?
All right, everybody, we are in the runner right now. I'm sure that's a change for you guys. It's funny how like after driving the van, even a 4Runner, like a bigger car, feels so tiny. I'm on the way to go do some pressure washing right now. I find that when I have you guys with me, I have a really good day. So I figured take you guys with me to pressure wash. Yeah, luckily I am still getting some work through quarantine with my aunt and uncle. So thank you guys so much, Aunt Van and Uncle Jay. Let's get our freaking pressure washing on right now. Woo! Woo! I may or may not have peed my pants. Wow, BB. You've been bad. A bad dog. Did you destroy the bed? Riley? Did you sneak off to the waterway? Riley? Riley's just been disappearing, walking half a mile down to where Carolina Beach Bridge is and just going swimming. What has gotten into that dog? So this thing is gonna be a record player box, huh, babe? And it's gonna be so sick right here in this corner. And we're gonna listen to the ASG record.
Does it fit? Oh, it's perfect.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that's sick. Dude, it looks awesome. Yeah, I think that's better than over there. Dude, it's sick. That's sick. Dirtface dog, why are you so dirty? He's happier when he's dirty. Chocolate. Oh, I ruined the song. Dang it.
At the very end, you got
Yeah.
the whole thing and ruined it.
Renee Woods, you are getting your swag. Sorry for the wait. Things have been crazy. As you know, there's a pandemic. And who's next?
Nick from B House.
Sick. Big dog. Yoo-hoo. Thank you guys so much for your orders. We got anybody else? Blue?
Blue, yeah.
Huge shout out to Blue. You. Thank you guys for supporting the dream. Honestly, shipping out shirts is awesome, and it's really cool to be, I don't know, packaging them up and just having stuff to sell and people who want to buy it. And man, thank you guys so much. And don't forget, if you want to check out Living Without Walls merch, the link is in the description below. It's always there. I put it in every video, so feel free to check it out and get you some gear for the dream. Edible.
I don't know who this guy is. Bailey Ford.
Look at this, guys. What? The peanut butter swirl? Guys, the garage is coming along. No more cabinets over there. We got this setup going. Got the tunes on the top. Subwoofer. I just kicked that old cabinet apart, got it out of here, and now we officially pretty much have the room for the ramp. So, woo! All right, guys, so we're getting everything picked out for the ramp on Home Depot. And look, came out to $420, but we got 45 2x4s, freaking sheets of this.
Why isn't he rolling into his poly? Roly-poly-oly.
I think we're gonna try to figure out if we can get it delivered from Home Depot. Got everything on the Home Depot website except for the coping. I can't find it on here, so I might have to pick that up, but.
I start to feel a sensation of compression in my right inner hip, and that's not what we want. 2 deep breaths here.
So check this out, guys. This is pretty freaking legendary. So this piece of paper has all the stuff on it we were trying to accomplish right before we left on our trip. And we had so much to do that we had to make a list, and like, oh my God, it was the heaviest moment of all time. So this is the list. And of course, I have way more than Amanda. I'm just kidding.
Wow!
I'm just kidding. So yeah, take a gander at that. And there's a lot of checks missing, but
We did it all.
we literally did it last second, and Jordan left a note on there. Oh, that was so heavy. What you got?
It's beautiful.
You drew the future. That's what's going down, you guys. right here with Living Without Walls logo right on the wall. How sick will that be? Look at the veg. What are you making?
Hummus.
Hummus?
Come here, little guy. It's okay.
Oh my God.
Can we name him Fred?
Fred.
I hope that didn't hurt.
Where'd he go? Oh. Got some corn cob? Right, let me see that corn cob, Bo. Dude, he's eating the whole thing.
Is it okay?
I don't know.
I didn't think he would do that.
Chocoreto. Look at all this space. The wood for the ramp will be here on the 16th. No, the wood for the ramp will be here on the 13th. And the space is ready for it. And I'm gonna start building it. So it's getting dropped off by Home Depot. I don't even have to go to Home Depot. So the ramp is going down, dude. Huge shout out to Johan. Johan's hooking it up with some coping. He has an old half pipe we used to skate just down the street, so I'm gonna go grab that off of there before he burns the ramp down. So thank you so much, dude. Also, Johan recommended doing more coffee stuff, and I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna talk about my favorite ways to make coffee and why I love them and what beans I like. So if you guys are into the coffee thing, definitely let me know. I'm really stoked to do that. I love coffee so much, thanks to Johan, honestly. And look at these OG stickers on the cabinets, dude. Are you kidding me? This is Edge of the World. They are in Boone, and they are a local snowboard shop, and they are freaking sick. The classic Shred NC, the Wahini Classic, and some sick posters. Amanda actually won this competition. So we have gotten quite a few shirt orders in. I think we're looking at about 5 or 6 right now. So we are going to be delivering shirts locally, and yeah, definitely scoop one. Link is in the description below. We're gonna kind of like throw the shirts out the window of the van so we don't have to like come close to anyone. But yeah, if you don't want to pay for shipping and you want to just Venmo us for a shirt, we'll drop it off. I can't wait for this ramp to be done. I wish I could have some friends over to help me build it and we could jam and have fun, but social distancing is crucial. So, but man, when this thing is done and we don't have to social distance anymore, it is going down. It's gonna be so fun, this ramp. Oh my gosh, dude. Thank you guys for everything. Keep on staying positive in this crazy time, and keep your body healthy, keep your immune system up, and just push for the dream. Love you guys. You.